Freecash bonuses that depend on watching ads may stop loading when the ad provider doesn't return an available ad. So refreshing the same screen repeatedly isn't always the best fix. By the end, you'll know how to check whether the problem is Freecash, your device, your connection, or the available ad inventory, and what to do before contacting support. Start by closing the Freecash screen where the ad is supposed to appear. Reopen the same bonus or reward section and check whether the ad loads normally. If it still doesn't appear, test another part of Freecash. Open your account, offers, or another available section. If those pages work normally, the problem may be limited to the advertising feature rather than your entire account. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, if both are available. If the ad loads after changing the connection, the original network may have been preventing the advertising request from completing. If you're using the Freecash app, completely close it and reopen it. If you're using Freecash in a browser, reload the page and sign into the same account again. Also check whether you've enabled an ad blocker, private DNS, VPN, or similar filtering feature. These tools can sometimes interfere with advertising requests. Temporarily disable them and test the Freecash bonus again if you're comfortable doing so. On a mobile device, check your system's advertising and privacy settings as well. Don't change multiple settings at once, because you want to know which change actually affects the problem. If normal Freecash offers are loading but the bonus ad isn't, don't assume your account is permanently blocked. Advertising availability can depend on the ads currently available to your account, device, location, and other delivery conditions. Avoid repeatedly tapping the bonus button if nothing happens. Give the page time to respond, then refresh it normally. Repeated requests won't guarantee that an advertisement becomes available. If the bonus still doesn't work, take a screenshot showing the missing advertisement, the bonus you're trying to claim, and any error message that appears. This gives you useful evidence if you need to contact Freecash support. When contacting support, explain exactly what happens after you tap the bonus. Tell them whether the screen stays blank, keeps loading, shows an error, or simply returns you to the previous page. Don't create another Freecash account to test the bonus. Keep troubleshooting on the original account so your activity and reward history remain together. The main checks are simple. Refresh the bonus, test your connection, disable possible ad blocking interference, restart Freecash, and confirm whether other features still work. Your next step is to reopen the bonus, test it on your normal connection, and check whether another Freecash section loads correctly. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, bonus guides, and troubleshooting tips.